Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add double spacing to your paragraph on Microsoft Word. So here I've got a document where it's basically single spaced right now. However, I want to double space it. So to do this, I want to go ahead and select this text. Now I'll right click on it, select paragraph option. Now from here, you need to find spacing. And if you look down below, you'll see line spacing. Now go ahead and select single and change that to double. Press OK. And now once you do this, your line spacing will become double on your document. And there you go. That is how to double space your paragraphs in Microsoft Word.
Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching. And